Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my family binder. I have $50 and or no, $60 in prop money and different categories that I'm saving for our family. So let's get started. All right, first we have my daughter here. This is created by Budget with Carly. Save $60. And I'm just going to pick one. Let's pick here. And this is a 6. So $6. So cute. Next is for my son. This says $60. And let's go in the middle. This is created by Lemon Ivy. Wow. This is a 12. $12, 10, 11, and 12. So cute. 2 more scratches on that one. Next is for me. This is created by Budget with Tiffany, 26. Say $70. And let's do one on this side. Oh, I'm just hitting all the big numbers. So this is 10. So 5, 10. All right, next is for hubby. And this is a new one coming in. This is created by Becca Budgets 777. Say 45 plus. Ooh, this is pumpkin spice season. Yes, it is. Let's go one in the middle. And that is a 5. Find a cup of coffee and double your scratch. Ooh. Okay. A little spicy for the pumpkin spice. So $5. Next is Home Sweet Home. And this is created by Mystic Budgets, 91 plus. So I think we scratch one and then roll one, I think. Let's go here and oh, I forgot these are 8s and 5s. I'm like, why are all these 8s? It's 8s and 5s, duh. Should I? We're just gonna do 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should I do roll one? No, we'll roll next time. Roll a couple next time, maybe. Okay, and then we have a new one for our adventures. I need to put some holes in it. I got this challenge created by Mint Dough on Etsy. This is $1,200 save. And what I want to do is roll a 12-sided die to see how much we are saving. 3. Girl, I thought I was doing so. So I am just going to color that 3 in. I don't know like how that turned out. Why am I using a highlighter? I don't know. So that was 3. I feel like I should do another one. Let's do another one. 5. All right. Let's do 5. Cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I believe we are planning a big adventure. So I need to save some money for it, and that would be for 2026. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for my son's graduation gift. So a nice vacation. All right. Next is a Muzzy. Okay. The Life of a Duck Named What? Created by Snowgarner 307. Where are we at in this book? How did I skip this page? What? I just realized that I skipped this whole page. Well, both of these pages. Wow. Okay. Let's see. What the sick? Let's just do... Oh, this is a mystery say. Let's do this one. Oh, no. Oh, this got a savings bonus. Oh, dear. Bonus. $9 or skip. Do we have $9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, we do. So we are saving a $9. That is funny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $9 saved in our emergency. That is perfect. All right. And then what we got left? $2. Look, everybody got some love today. Do I want to put two? I think I'm putting $2. I might pause on my 100 envelope challenge. I know. Because I really need to work on this. So let's find a 2 here. 2, let's do... yeah, let's do this too. I'm sorry if you guys can hear some background noise. But that is my daughter. I don't know what she's doing, but I think she's washing dishes. So let's go back to our trip here. Perfect. Yeah, I think I'm going to put any rollover money into here because, yeah, we need to start saving. Because we are, like I said, we're trying to take a big trip. All right, gems, that is it. That was $60 put into my family binder. We got some new challenges from different creators, so I have them listed down below. So go check them out if you love what you see. And I want to thank everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye.